Today we present MicroPette Plus autoclavable pipette. How to fix it. First, we unboxing. You will find the pipette and some tools here, and of course calibration, certificate, and introduce, and some of multi-pipette single channel. Okay. First, we need to use the special tools here. First step, there is two types here and here, like that. We'll push here and put it. Small one and squeeze. First part. Second picture, take care about stem. And the third here, you can use the same tools with clockwise. Now we go to change the counter. There's special tools, of course. Until end, then push. You need to be careful about that. Broken. Then counter smoothly like that. That counter, and that's it. Okay, we will put here 100. It's max for counter until we hear click. We will put like that by two hands, and we will use special tool like that until here click. Then better we make cleaning first for that point, and by silicone, and we need to clean it by cotton, not by tissue. Then of course it's clean, so I will put it directly. Until maximum, but softly, of course. Okay, like that. Let's come back again.